Hello students, myself Ryan Devandi. Today we discuss about boiler. So first of all, going through this, what is boiler? The boiler is nothing but a steam generator. In a closed vessel, the steam will be generated, and using of steam we're doing different type of work for mechanical work or anything power generation work. You can use the steam. So basically, according to classification of content in a tube, boilers are two types. One is a water tube boiler and one is a fire tube boiler. So today we discuss about the fire tube boiler. So what is fire tube boiler? The basic difference of fire tube boiler is the tube, inside the tube means what? The hot gas will contain inside the tube and outside the water will be present and the surrounding will be water is there. Using of hot gas heat will be through the heat exchangers, the water will be heated and the steam will be generated. That is called as fire tube boiler. So look at here for an example of fire tube boiler. This is a Lancaster boiler. This is an example of it and a model of it. Lancaster boiler. So this is a Lancaster boiler. Look at this boiler first of all. This is also called as horizontal type because the vessel is in a horizontal way. That is also called as horizontal type. And this is a fire tube internal fire boiler because this is a internal fire combustion chamber. So look at here. This is a model. So going through this model, first of all discuss the points of a boiler. So look at here, there are different points are given here and the marking in a boiler model here. The first point is given here. This is a stop valve, dead weight safety valve. So look at here, this is a dead weight safety valve. So using this dead weight safety valve, uses the it is on your mounting and accessories is there boilers different terms. So under terms, this is going under a mountings. Safety valve, why use the safety valve? When the steam will be generated in a boiler, the steam will be got the excess limit. Then through your different type of safety valves, you can remove the steam for safety functioning of boiler. This is one is a dead weight safety valve. Why it is dead weight safety valve? Because the boiler of safety valve is a, look at this. This is a dead weight shape. Means there is a constant weight is there which will put on your boiler for a maximum pressure generation of a steam. After onward, the weight will be lifted and the steam will be go outside. So this is your dead weight safety valve. Second one is your given here main hole. So look at here, this is your main hole. Why use main hole? The main hole means the main should be go inside the hole and it will be clean the boiler. For smooth running, we uses also here boiler is a main hole. So through main hole, the main should be go inside the boiler and clear the mud or ash different type of from this boiler mold. This is through a boiler safety valve uses. Next one is a third one is a lever safety valve. Look at this. This is a lever safety valve. So this is also a safety valve. In a boiler, different types of safety valves are uses. So modern type, this is a lever safety valve. Why it is lever? Because this is a lever. Using of lever's load, the steam will be lifted. This is also uses for safety purpose. Then fourth number is your given here mode hole and blow off cock. So fourth number is your given here mode hole and blow off cock. Look at here. This is your blow off cock and mode hole. Means what? When the boiler will be when the boiler water are content, the water will be source is a river or another source are there. From this river onward, the boiler will be the water will be contain different type of modes. When the water will be heated, the mode will be in a lower level and the ash of the boiler, the steam ash or water ash will be collected in, under the last stage of your boiler. So cleaning purpose, so through this you can use blow off cock. Using a blow off cock will clearly drainage the water from this boiler. So somehow there is a present of a boiler, that's why it is also main hole here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is a 5-1. 5-1 is a given here pressure gauge. Look at this. It will be show the pressure, what amount of pressure will be generated inside the boiler. You can show through this. When it will be go to the high pressure or minimum pressure, using this pressure gauge you can feed the water inside the boiler or you can given heat or low of heat will be uses for this pressure gauge. And 6-1 is your water level indicator. So this is your level of water indicator given here. So this is your water level will be show you. So what type of water level will show you? What is the present of water is inside the boiler. If the water level will be decreases, then the steam level will be increases. So that's why you feed the water through the water level boiler for smooth functioning. This is also occurring in a mountings. Next 7 number is given here. The grating inside here there Grating is a chamber where the boiler actually fuel will be burned. That is called as grate, and that is called as grating. Clear? Next one is the 8th one is here. Check valve. So look at here. Here is a check valve is there. This is your check valve. What is also called as feed check valve. Also you can call this is a feed check valve. So through this you can feed the water from the pump to the boiler. This is a check valve. 9 number is here given here. So 9 number is your pressure gauge. So 9 number is also called as the air regulating door. So this is called as air regulating door. What is air regulating door? It will regulate the air. Means what amount of air will be inside the tube. It will be regulated through this air regulator. Gases will be regulated through this. So this is called as air regulator. There is a 2 air regulator door is there because there is a 2 tubes are there. Next one is a damper. So under the damper condition is there 10 number. The damper is a damper. Means what? The main thing your damper is this thing. So this is your chain valve is there. Inside there is a damper is there, which will be through the chain drive. It will be pull up and the hot gas will be go, and the fuel combustion also will be inside will be through the damper. And also you can damper the ash handling also. Next one is your counterweight. So 11 number is your counterweight. Counterweight is also used here for the damper purpose for lifting the damper door. Next one is your 12 number is your given here. Look at their chimney. So this is your 12 number chimney. So chimney means what? What is why use chimney? In a previous old age time or in a previous day, you can use this in the inside your our home. There are coal fired is there where you will be the ash or sorry the hot gas or the fuel or carbon dioxide will be go through the pipe. So here is your what happen in a combustion chamber. When the combustion will be occur, after onwards the fuel will be the hot gas fuel will be go through the chimney. That is called as hot fuel gas. Chimney is used for removing the hot fuel gases from the combustion chamber. Uses chimney. There is some certain height is there. From the certain height, the atmospheric level is there. With the through, you can also filterize the hot fuel gases and for a environmental purpose. Last one is a 13 number. That is a stop valve. This is a stop valve. This is a stop valve. So when the steam will be generated through stop valve, it will be controlled. Through stop valve, it will go through the different section. If you go through the turbine, then turbine section. For a steam engine section, there is a different. The power plant section different. So through this stop valve, we will control the steam for discharge. So that is your types of given a important terms or given important parts in given in a boiler. This is a Lancashire boiler. Why? What is in a horizontal tube Lancashire boiler? There is a 2 tube is there. Look at here. So this is a 2 tube where the hot fuel gases will be go through this. So these are 2 tubes where the hot fuel gases will be go through this. We can dismantle this. There is a given in a model to dismantle. Dismantle. So look at here. This is a combustion chamber where will combustion will occur. Look at this. Here a chamber are given combustion purpose, and the hot gas will go through the chimney. And this is your tube where the hot fuel gases will be go through this. 5 tube. You can also say 5 tube. Why this is your tube where hot fuel gases go through this, and the outside the water will be contained in the vessel. This is a steel vessel. Look at this. So this is all about your Lancashire boiler. So going through this Lancashire boiler, this is also called as a horizontal tube also you can call. This is 5 tube also. So this is all about your boiler. This is a 5 tube boiler one example. In previous video we can discuss another thing. Thank you for all.